Modify the header navigation settings. To modify the header navigation settings, click Edit and Create Templates under the Work With templates. Then select the template you'll be using, in our case our work template. And then you need to go to the navigation defaults. Under the navigation defaults we have three different types of navigation style. We can see we have the default menu item, the mouse over menu item, and the selected menu item. And we can control the fill color for the top, the fill color for the bottom, the border color, the text color, and the color behind. So if we're doing any sort of contouring on our buttons, we can control what color that's going to be. And our contrast for the anti-aliasing text only. We have the same fields for the mouse over and the selected. We also can place spacers in between our navigation items, and we can go from 0 to 5 pixels, and we can set the color on those. We can also tell the software to show a separator on the left side or the right side of the menu. If we look at our general navigation settings, we can set the navigation area as a width in either percentage or pixels. In this case it's 100% wide. The height will be automatically generated, or we can tell it how tall our navigation items are going to be. Our rendering style, which in most cases will be anti-aliasing. The font size to use, font bold, font italic, font face, and then our corner radiuses. So we can change the corner radius to, let's say we're going to change these to 6 for all of them. We'll leave our border width at 1. If we click the Show Sample now, you'll see that our buttons are now rendered with a rounded corner. So this allows us to do things like make a tab look by making the bottoms have a radius of 0. Show the sample again. Now we have a tab style. We can also put borders around them by changing the colors of the borders up here. So if we wanted a border of black, for example, around our default one, now see we have a black border around it. Use default fill allows you to get all of your rendering from the background to follow with your border. We'll show the sample again. You'll see that you can't see a border at all. When you're happy with the borders, we're going to put these back to 0 and 0 for now. When you're happy with everything and how the images look with your show sample, which we are, we'll click the Save button. The image text is then generated using the software and filled in at the top where you put the level 1 navigation tag in your header. And if you have any need to look up anything regarding the HTML tag, it is right there in the HTML tag reference guide.